This is your JIS News for Wednesday, August 19. Residents in communities off Barbican Road will be getting a new upgraded bridge before the end of this calendar year. The Transport and Works Ministry signed a $12.25 million contract with Alcor Construction and Haulage Company yesterday to build the new Asmart box culvert. The existing bridge will be demolished and replaced by the reinforced concrete box culvert, which will be built to accommodate 2 lanes of traffic and sidewalks for pedestrians. It is designed to effectively channel storm flows and will have a lifespan of at least 75 years. The work begins this month and should be completed within 4 months. At the signing, Transport and Works State Minister Richard Azan apologized to motorists for the traffic delay they are likely to face during the construction.
Because you are doing the construction at the same spot. So therefore, when you demolish you have traffic another place. So therefore, we have to make sure that we work along, both the motorists, the police, and everyone have to work together to make sure that we finish this project on time.
The Jamaica Social Investment Fund JSIF is investing millions to develop the community tourism projects in 7 communities across the island. The agency signed 3 contracts yesterday to help the communities better market their offerings. One contract was for consultancy work to provide marketing and promotional services for the rural community tourism enterprises. Another will facilitate website design and build services for the National Community Tourism Portal. A financing agreement was also signed with the Jamaica Conservation Development Trust JCDT to continue work in the Blue and John Crow Mountains National Park.
Our vision really is to really be able to target and reach these underserved communities that need the opportunities, and this is the way that we can do it.
JSIF's intervention is also expected to support implementation of the Community Tourism Policy, which was recently tabled in Parliament.
And this is different from the usual sea, sand and sun, other activities that we can take to the marketplace. Something that will be top of mind and make us different from our competitors.
Government has provided over $95,000 for the continued phasing out of hydrochlorofluorocarbon HCFC, a key ozone-depleting substance used in the foam manufacturing industry. Climate Change Minister Robert Pigosgill handed over the final installment check of $545,750 Jamaican dollars last Wednesday to Seal Spread Solutions Limited, the only company in Jamaica that uses HCFCs in their production. It supports Jamaica's HCFC Phase-Out Management Plan Implementation Project, which is being managed by the National Environment and Planning Agency in partnership with the United Nations Development Programme.
This is indeed a significant environmental achievement, not only for the company but for all Jamaica. The company has phased out the use of 33 metric tons of HCFCs in Jamaica and has contributed overall towards achieving the Montreal Protocol's January 2013 and January 2015 HCFC reduction targets.
Instead of HCFCs, the climate and ozone-friendly alternative methyl formate is now being used. Government, in collaboration with the Organization of American States and the Canadian High Commission, recently conducted a 5-day business capacity building workshop. The Train the Trainer program targeted intermediate organizations that support small and medium enterprises. They were given the tools to develop innovative corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives. At the start of the workshop, Industry Minister Anthony Hilton said the competitive nature of the global landscape made it critical for businesses to understand their role in economic and social development.
CSR is also about brand imaging, reputation, and public trust. However, since the results are not always tangible or immediately measurable, the significance of CSR tends not to be fully appreciated, particularly among SMEs.
The members of the intermediary organizations who were trained will now train small and medium-sized enterprises on the principles of corporate social responsibility. And finally, Culture Minister Lisa Hanna and other members of her ministry have expressed regret at the passing of Colonel of the Charlestown Maroons Frank Lumsden. The minister and her team have also extended condolences to Colonel Lumsden's family and the people of Charlestown. Minister Hannah says Lumsden, who served as colonel of the community for well over a decade, was a man of vision who believed in representing his ancestors and caring for his people to the fullest. She praised his leadership for bringing wide exposure to the significant Windward Maroon heritage and most recently contributing to getting the Blue and John Crow Mountains inscribed as Jamaica's first World Heritage Site. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.